Hello everyone, it's TrekkieMoto here, and you join me on a beautiful but blustery day in Pennsylvania. Today I'm taking the bike out for a very quick ride just to test some audio issues. Normally I have a stereo recorder mounted to the rear mudguard of the motorcycle, and it gives me my high quality raw sound. But on windy days like this, and it's really windy, the wind can blow on the microphone and it can blow out the audio, and it's basically unrecoverable. So as an experiment today, since it's windy, I've decided to put my audio recorder inside one of my saddlebags, right? You know, I've put the audio recorder in the bag and I've sort of set the gain a little higher, and hopefully it will you know, perform better in this windy weather. Now, whether that will degrade the quality of the audio to such a point where, you know, it's not giving me what I want, that remains to be seen, or I guess it remains to be heard. But you know, I wanted to give it a try anyway, and you know, see what happens. So this is just a quick ride today, just to test this theory and see what happens. Noisy Suzuki. See, let's crank it up and see what happens. Not quite sure how this audio is going to sound. The bike feels fantastic today though. Oh. Ever since I got these Michelin Road 6s, just feels so much better. Yeah, it really is quite windy. I'm getting buffeted a lot. I'm only doing 55, just getting chucked around all over the place. This would normally cause terrible audio problems. You know, unacceptable audio problems. So if this works out, if this putting it in the saddlebag works out, and it still gives me a fairly decent sort of stereo, high quality sound, then I'm going to just roll with it, and I'll just have to always use these saddlebags. Just gonna roll through this development here so that I can get the sound of the sort of burble from the engine as well. hopefully that'll be enough audio to test. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I've been TrekkieMoto, and I'll catch you in the next one.